Welcome to the new era of mobility that will change our lives. It starts right here, where life becomes more sustainable, more free. Whether you're spending time alone or with your family, this is where the new experience begins. Let's see what's inside, shall we? Take a look at this perfect man cave for Dad. Once the smart space opens, he can enjoy this place all to himself. For his daughter, it makes an ideal studio for shooting videos. Through the large roof display, she's able to connect with other plant lovers around the world. To these gardeners, sustainability starts with just a single plant. And what kind of place does it make for Mom? If you put your shoes and everything else away in the right spot, it becomes the perfect hygienic lounge. With a wide open view and fresh air, it is the ideal space to relax and just chill. Whether it's for spending time by yourself or sitting together face to face, it's a comfortable lounge for the entire family, together or alone. A new chapter begins here.
Now we know the way.
Towards a sustainable future. Live in 7.